lesson today on area and perimeter. Remember, perimeter is your fence that goes all the way around a certain area to keep your dog in that area. And the area is the amount of room that your dog has to play in. Perimeter is found by adding the four sides of your fence together, and the area is found by multiplying the length times the width to give you the amount of room that your dog has to play. So the very first one we are going to look at is a fence with a side of 4 and 2. So on my graph paper, I'm going to go down 2 squares, then I'm going to go across 4, then I'm just going to close my fence so my dog cannot get out. Area, once again, is found by length times width. This side is 4, I went across 4 squares. This side is 2, I went down 2 squares. 4 times 2 is 8. My perimeter is found by adding all the sides of my fence. So I have a 4 here and a 2 here. We know that a rectangle, opposite sides are the same length. So I'm going to have a 4 here and a 2 here. Add all those sides together. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 2 more is 12. We have a perimeter of 12. Now I need to come up with another rectangle that has a perimeter of 12, but a different area. So let's look at a rectangle that goes down 1. Well, I know if this side is 1, my other side has to be 1. So I'm going to take 12, my total perimeter, subtract 2 for my sides, that gives me 10. I know my top and my bottom together has to equal 10. So I'm going to take 10 divided by 2 because that is the sum for both sides, both the top and the bottom. That gives me 5. So I'm going to go across 5 squares. And then I'm going to close my fence so my dog cannot get out. Label my top and my side. So my area, once again, is length times width. I have 5 times 1, which is 5. My perimeter, add all the sides of the fence together. 5 plus 1, where there's a 5 here, I know the bottom is 5. A 1 on that side, I know there's a 1 on this side. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. So I have the same perimeter, different areas. Now I'm going to look at shapes that have the same area and different perimeters. This one, I have a 4 by 6. So I'm going to go down 4 and across 6. And then finish my fence so my dog cannot get out. Down 4 squares, across 6. My area is going to be 4 times 6, which is 24. Now I need to find the perimeter. Add up all the sides of that fence. 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10 again. 10 plus 10 is 20. An area of 24, a perimeter of 20. Now I need another rectangle that has an area of 24, but the perimeter is going to be different. So I think, what two other numbers multiplied together are going to give me 24? I could do 2 and 12. So I'll come up here, go down 2, and go across 12. Finish my fence so my dog cannot get out. This side is 12, this side is 2. 2 times 12 is 24. So I have my same area. Now I'm going to find my perimeter. Add your sides together. 12 plus 2 plus 12 plus 2. 12 plus 12 is 24. Plus 2 is 26. Plus 2 more is 28.